There are some people, after being sued on court, they run to the court to claim that there are people who wanted to sell their properties who are theft. And yet, you have not been coming to court and make sure that the matter against you have been paid. After being sued on court, and after the judgment being delivered on court, the warrants will have to be issued against you so that they can be given to the person who sued you on court so that the amount can be paid to him and your properties to be attached and action to be taken against you so that you can comply to pay for the claim against you. But after the warrants being issued to the person who sued you on court, then the action and the warrants be given to the people who are concerned to come on your place to attach your properties. Then, after coming your place, you start arguing and running to the police and to the CID and to the other government agents that you are seeking for help. I'm telling you, if you want help, make sure that you have complied with the court orders, you have been coming to court, and make sure that the advocate who you chosen, you are following him as required so that he can give you the correct and satisfactory report against the case which was against you. So, don't use false statement so that you can use the shortcut so that you can escape the court matter. The only thing to do is to comply with the court orders. Even if you go to the CID or the Kenya police, that you want a shortcut so that the matter cannot be solved by the court, the government agents or the police or CID or other government authorities you have run to, they will make sure that they have come to the fundamental and make sure that they have known the truth behind these people who came to your place to attach your properties. And they are not theft. They have been authorized by the court to come to your place and attach your properties. One of them is the auctioneer, and the others are the bailiff. Another person may use the police also or the CID also to come your place and to make sure that you have pay for the claim you are supposed to pay for the person who sued you on court. But instead, you are using false statement and the shortcut that there is people who come on my place, they want to sell our properties under the name of certain person who is unknown and we don't recognize this person. And how comes you choose an advocate to represent you in court on the same matter? Also, if you are among the judgment debtors who sued on court, the same you have your headquarter, which is regulating your body. Your company was among the company which was being sued on court and has been involved to pay for the court case matter. So you cannot claim that you don't recognize the matter and yet you have the headquarter of yours, of that company you are running, and the several companies you are together and using the same name You have been being served by and regulated by the headquarter. So you have to make sure that you have to follow the procedure also. The headquarter has been informed that the warrants has been issued against you, and you are supposed to attend on court if you are a judgment debtors. And among the judgment debtors who are supposed to pay on court matter. So you have to make sure that go to the headquarter and try to get more information that what is behind this matter. Yes, you can say that you are not aware that there was no case against you, but the headquarters is aware that the companies are being involved of the same body, so that they can be paying on the court claim. So don't try to use false statement. Even if you use the false statement that the court is a false or the people are theft, after the truth being revealed that the person who came to your place was being issued by the warrants from court, then the action will be taken against you and will be supposed to pay double. So instead, make sure that you have complied with the court order and come to court and make sure that you have go to the court as required and refer with the matter. So after confirmed that there is no matter, or there is a matter on court against you, so that go ahead and proceed on about the action that you can take, because there is nobody who can come on your place without a court order. Make sure that you have a investigation. Then when you went to court and found that there was a case against you, so what did you expect the court to do about the issue you are complaining about? And already there is a case against you on court, the same one proceeding. Then also you wanted to file another case of the same. The court cannot help you unless you follow the court orders and make sure that you pay for the claim. The person who you chosen to represent you in court, your advocate, make sure that you get the correct information from him. Don't continue going confused everywhere, then telling people that you don't know about the matter that was on court and you are supposed to pay on the court matter. And that the judgment have been delivered against you, so that you can be able to pay for the person. The person you're supposed to pay for the claim, then you will have to be issued with the warrant, so that that is the only way the court has referred to take action against you, because you have been refusing to attend on court and proceed with the matter. The person have been informing you to attend on court, then you have been refusing to attend on court. Then what did you expect the court to do about you? The only issue is to issue warrants against you, so that the action can be taken against you, so that you can be able to pay. That is the only way. Because using false statement will not help you. You know, the government, judiciary is among the government. Police is among the government. CID is among the government. How do you expect the same government, so that it cannot be working together and help the person who is using false statement, so that he can be making a mistake? That is trying to say that the government doesn't know what it is doing and cannot help you so that you become tough-headed. And you have been being tough-headed, being called to come to court and refused. And the court don't want the person who is a tough-headed. The court wants a person who is following the orders and complying with the order. If you have been informed to attend on court and pay for the court claim, attend on court. After the judgment was being delivered, then it was being issued to you, and you refused to attend on court and pay for the court claim. Thereafter, the warrants were being issued thereafter. So, the same, you continue refusing. And there is also other documents which were being issued against you before the warrants were being issued. Then you continue refusing. And then after the warrants being issued, and the auctioneer came to your place to attend the properties, then you ran to the court, so that is the time you wanted the court to help you, and you have been refusing to attend on court so that the matter can be solved. So that is it the time that you have got now, so that you wanted the court to help you. The auctioneer, what you have to do after being issued by the warrants and come to your place, you have to sell your properties and pay the person who sued you on court, so that the claim can be satisfied. So make sure that you are a person of complying. Is not the court's problem to solve the issue which you have been refusing to attend on court, or you have been not following the advocate who you chosen to represent you on court. Why don't you follow him to give you the correct feedback that you are supposed to pay the court matter, and the matter has been defeated, and you are supposed to pay. After being defeated, you are supposed to go to the court and pay the person who sued you on court, and the claim have to be paid. And there is no way the claim will have to be paid unless the court issue warrants if honorary knows that you are a person of tough-headed and you have not been attending on court. That is the action to be taken against you. Your properties to have to be attached, have to be sold, and the amount will have to be paid to the person who sued you on court. That is the only thing I can urge you. Don't continue